Welcome back, my dear future stars of Max and my viewers and my subscribers. I would like to thank all my viewers, those who are watching my videos, and I request the new viewers to please subscribe to my channel, Future Stars of Max. Okay? Today in this session we are going to start our new chapter Trigonometry. Basically it is just an introduction to this chapter. There are few basic things which you have to remember so that you can solve this exercise very easily. Okay, so be connected. Here is the square table which you have to learn it perfectly. Okay, so let's learn it. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, and important is 15 square is 225 and 25 square is 625. Remaining also, if you learn, it will be easy for you to solve the problems. Okay. The next important topic which you have to learn is Pythagoras theorem. It states that the square of the longest side of a right angle triangle called the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, let's see that in a triangle. As you can see, ABC is a right angled triangle. So 90 degrees is formed at B. So the side opposite to it is known as hypotenuse side. And at A we have theta. So the side opposite to A is called the opposite side. And the adjacent side, that is the left out side, is known as adjacent side. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write that hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. That is nothing but AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is very important to solve our first exercise. Okay. Let's learn ratios in a right angle triangle. So if ABC is a right angle triangle with 90 degrees at B, we can define sine of angle A as sin A. Short form is sin. Full form is sine. Sine. Okay, only the first three letters are written. So sin A is equal to length of the side opposite to angle A by length of hypotenuse. So it will be equal to BC by AC. Next ratio is cosine of angle A. So only first three letters if we write, we will read that as cos A is equal to length of the side adjacent to angle A by length of hypotenuse. So it will be equal to AB by AC. Next is tangent of angle A. So first three letters means tan. Okay, so we'll represent and read it as tan A equal to length of the side opposite to angle A by length of the side adjacent to angle A. So it is equal to BC by AB. Now the inverse ratios of this all. What it will be? The inverse of sin A is cosecant A. So it is written as COSEC is equal to 1 by sin A. And the inverse of cos A is secant A. So we can write secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. And the inverse of tan is cotangent A. So it is written as cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Let's see this in a simple way. Now we are going to sum up what we have learned till now, and at last I am going to share one trick so that you can learn the trigonometric ratios very easily. Okay, so watch the video till end. So first thing what we have to learn, the square table. Okay. Then after that, according to the Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, what we should remember, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Then the next thing is the ratios. So sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. The inverse of sin theta is cosecant theta. So, and the inverse of cos is secant. Tan is cot theta. That means they both are inverse of each other. Okay. Sin is inverse of cosecant. Cosecant is inverse of sin. Similarly, secant and cos and cot and tan also. So now we can write cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite, and secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. If you can't remember all these things, only one thing you have to remember. Remember this statement, okay? Old Harry and his old aunt. When you remember this, you can write sine, cos and tan very easily. See, you underline the first letters of this sentence. In each word, you underline the first alphabet. Okay. So, what we have learned, old Harry and his old aunt. So, just write the first letters of each word here. Okay. Old Harry and his old aunt. Old Harry and his old aunt. So, what is O in our Pythagoras theorem? It will be opposite side. So, OPP. And H means hypotenuse. A means adjacent. H means hypotenuse. O is for opposite. A is for adjacent. Is it easy, students? Now, can you remember this using this statement? Old Harry and his old aunt. So this will old Harry means sin theta and his means cos theta. Old aunt means tan theta. In this way also you can remember this. Okay. It will be very useful if you learn this. You can by heart this. Then it will be very useful for you. But if you are unable to by heart this, then you can use this statement and then write the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. After writing this, you can write the inverse ratios, which is very easy. Okay. So we'll do our first exercise very soon in our next video. One more thing you should remember in this ratios is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and so cot theta will be equal to cos theta by sin theta. Okay.